The brand new texture, Touch, is a beautiful matte finish with anti-fingerprint technology, allowing you to avoid the blemishes and smudges of fingerprints. The Touch texture can even have minor scratches buffed out. Take a look at this. The decor has a minor scratch as seen, and it is simply buffed away using a magic sponge. This is a video in real time and you can literally see the scratch disappearing in front of your eyes. The surface has innovative micro scratch repairing technology, and there's another method if you don't have a magic sponge. An iron. Yes, you heard that correctly. Simply take a damp cloth or tea towel, lay it over the scratches and iron over the top of it, making sure the iron is on, of course. And just look at that, the scratches are gone. There you have it, the new Touch finish, which is available in Black Velvet, Anthracite Grey and Vero Bianco. Order yourself some samples today.